What's up, y'all? It's your girl Coco Nicole and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing some DIY lashes. I had purchased this kit from Amazon and my girl Ashley actually told me about these, so shout out to you, Ash. And I was going to try them out. I have a few things to do today, so I was going to wear them today, and I actually have something to do tomorrow too. So you know, I'm gonna test out like how they look and the longevity. You know, hopefully I can get more than tonight out of these. Maybe hopefully I can get tomorrow out of these. I'll try to pop back in and let you guys know how they're doing. I haven't gotten like my lashes done and I don't know how long. So we will see how these look, if these pass like the test or whatnot. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the name of these are, I'm sure I'm gonna mess them up. Pawotence DIY lash kit. Have the steps on the back, so it simply says to gently roll the band down with tweezers. I just got one pair of tweezers down here. It says to curl your lashes and apply lash bond on your natural lashes. So I did bring my lash curler down here. And then it says to place the clusters underneath your natural lashes and then repeat and brush the lashes base with the lash seal to lock. It also has like this lash mapping guide down here. So I don't know how much attention I'm gonna pay to that. Oh yeah, so this looks really cute. Try to get a thumbnail really quick. It comes with like a whole bunch of them, y'all, a whole bunch. Rows on top of rows, and I don't think that they are I don't think that they're human. And it comes with the steps also. Oh, it comes with this it comes with tweezers. Okay, so and then it also comes with this with the bond on one end and then the seal on the other. It's like this little tube right here. So let's go ahead and test it out. So I'm looking at like the mapping. I do tend to go for like a cat eye kind of look. So it says 9, 2 11s, 12, 13, 14, 15. My eyes are kind of like on the shorter side. So I'm probably just going to end up doing maybe like 4. So I'll probably do like 9, 11, 12, 13 or something like that. Just go ahead and open it up. They give you like two sets. I'm assuming maybe for like each eye. So it goes 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then it does the same thing at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. Let me go ahead and curl my lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the lash bond. Doesn't have like much of a smell to it. It just kind of like a normal kind of like, it kind of smells like liquid, like glue. Does it have a color to it? Oh, it's got like a color to it, y'all. It's black. Okay, that's interesting. I did not expect that. Ooh, I can feel it flicking. Let me be careful. I can feel it flicking. So, oh man, see, it didn't transfer to my transfer to under like my eye a little bit. Dangy. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it, then I'll fix that later because I don't want the stuff to dry. So here goes a number 9, and then I'm gonna apply it under my real lash. So I'm gonna have to add a little bit more of this bond as I get to the end of my lashes. I feel like it's not sticking as much. Also, this tweezer gets kind of sticky after a while. So I got a, ooh, I'm starting to get hot. So yeah, I got a makeup wipe to wipe off these tweezers. They feel okay. So let's see if this can clean them off. Yeah, it's cleaning them off. Cause this gets sticky after a while. Hopefully I can get this off with like a spoolie on my lid and down underneath my eye. But it look cute so far, y'all. I think I am gonna stop at 4. So far I did I did 2 9s, an 11, and a 12. That's what I did to this eye. So before I do the other eye, let me go ahead and seal it. Feel like they're kind of stuck at one tip a little bit, but it's not bad though. Yeah, so another good thing that I noticed is that I don't feel like any tingling or anything. So it must have like pretty good ingredients in it. My eyes aren't burning, they aren't tingling or anything. So I'm getting started on my left eye. I'm just coating like the whole lash. I think I got a decent amount. Try to get towards like the base. And then I'm just going to repeat the same steps. I feel like I might go in with maybe one more 12 over here. I'll take that back. I think I'm okay. Ooh. Ah, no, it got on my outfit. Dang. This stuff is messy. Yeah, don't put on your good clothes. Don't be like me and wear your good clothes when you're doing your dang on lashes. I have to put some Dawn on it. You know, Dawn takes everything out. But lastly, let me go ahead and seal my left eye. So I have finally finished them up, y'all. I think that they're cute, you know what I mean? Like, I know that they're kind of like still on the shorter side, but I think that they're cute. You know, they add like a little oomph to your look, you know, as normally as lashes do. They're nice, but it's, you know, it's a lot of, I don't know, I felt like I kind of ran into like some trouble. You know, like I said, it could be like user error since this is like my very first time doing it. But I found it just to be, I don't know, like y'all saw me doing it. It's just like a little messy. You have to be like really patient when you're putting these on. I don't remember how much I paid, maybe like 20 bucks. You know, if you want to try it out, you know, if you're having maybe like a girls' night, like a slumber party kind of night, and y'all want to have like something to do, I would recommend it for that. You know, if you want to save a couple of dollars, you know, instead of going to your lash tech, and if you want to do it yourself, sure, I would check it out. You know, $20. Like I said, it didn't irritate my eye, and my eyes are pretty sensitive. I'm wearing contacts too. So I would say go for it, you know, but like I said, it's kind of messy, and pack your patience. It's going to take you, you know, longer than applying some strips. But let me go ahead and go about my day, y'all. And then I will check back in a little bit.